Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Brainy Broadcast. And today we have a game-changing topic for you: goal setting and achieving strategies. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, career success, or just looking to level up your life, these strategies will help you crush your goals. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our content. Now, let's get started. Tip 1: The power of goal setting. Setting clear goals is the first step towards success. But why is goal setting so important? Well, it gives your life direction, provides motivation, and helps you organize your time and resources effectively. Smart goals make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework increases your chances of success. Tip 2: Visualization techniques. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to visualize success. Vision board: create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals. Place it somewhere visible to remind yourself daily. Mental imagery: imagine yourself achieving your goals in vivid detail. This technique enhances motivation and builds a positive mindset. Tip 3: Break it down. Breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks makes the journey less overwhelming. Chunking: divide your big goal into smaller, bite-sized tasks. This makes it easier to track progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Priority setting: identify high-priority tasks and focus on them first. This ensures you're making significant progress toward your goal. Tip 4: Accountability partners. Sharing your goals with someone and having an accountability partner can significantly boost your chances of success. Find a buddy: choose someone who shares similar goals or values. Regular check-ins can keep you both on track. Online communities: joining online forums or groups related to your goals can provide a supportive community and valuable insights. Tip 5: Learn from setbacks. It's important to acknowledge that setbacks are a natural part of any journey. The key is how you respond to them. Adaptability: be flexible and willing to adjust your approach if needed. Learn from setbacks and use them as stepping stones to success. Mindset shift: embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement rather than roadblocks. And there you have it: strategies to set and achieve your goals. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress. Start applying these techniques today, and watch yourself move closer to the success you desire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments your favorite goal-setting strategy. Until next time, keep crushing those goals.